Good morning, class. Pasensya na kay daghan kay ganap sa life. Daghan kay ng seminars, akong papa na ospital dayon ako pod na hilantan. So this is my instruction for your reporting in electricity and magnetism. So giagi na lang nako sa YouTube because I can record, I can video record on cell phone, but I cannot send it in the messenger. So ako na lang iagi sa YouTube ang akong video, ang akong instruction. So as what Albert Einstein have said, that education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. So basin matingala mo nga naunsa man ni si Ma'am Gloria nga college naman ta nga. Sige man ta ni ipasulat-sulat. Of course, because I want you not only good teachers, but I want you to be exceptional teachers because you are the next generation. So I want you to have a good writing skills and you can express your thoughts through writing and it can develop your creativity. So when you read, when you have the tasks to read, that would be the training of the mind to think. Uh, in your activity notebook, I included there the self-paced learning or independent learning because this is a very important skill. This is a very core for you to become a successful student or for you to pass the licensure examination for teachers. Now, when you are an independent learner, you can learn on your own with less supervision and no supervision at all. I am not hired by GICC because I am expert in science because way back when I was still in the classroom, I am teaching mathematics, I am teaching algebra. I am hired because of my experience in handling schools and in handling teachers. So that I could share to the teacher education council of what kind of teachers, of what kind of employees that we need in the field, that we need in the school. So it is very important that our teachers must be extraordinary. They have good communication skills. That is why we have these activity notebooks in order for us to develop more or to practice. So just like in any other skills, in sports, in singing, in dancing, that, di ba, in order for them to sabak the before they will join the contest, mag-practice agad na sila. So just like in order to maintain your skills, your communication skills in writing, dapat practice ya, permanente ang momentum. So in your activity notebooks, it is included there. So on the tasks that, on the topics that you're going to read. So na dito mga scientists, mga physicists that have their contributions in electromagnetism. So do not limit only on their life and their contribution to uh, electricity and magnetism, but what are their contribution to mankind? Nana, no. So dapat dili na ko ni istorya kay ako untang tan-awon nga kanang common sense na kaistanan ba. And then the reflection, di ba ang reflection is if you look at in the mirror, what do you see? Di ba? You look at yourself. So in the reflection, what are the um, what are the contributions or what are the advantages? What are the advantages of the topics that you have researched? What can it do to you? What can it what can it do to you? What can it do to your family? What can it do to mankind as a whole? So muna siya ang reflection. What are the benefits that we can get from it? Or bisan unsa na, what is important there, that is secondary. Ang secondary na siya ang topic. What is important there is you can express your thoughts through writing. So your activity notebooks express your thoughts, and then your creativity, uh, and so sa college na ta, uh, unlike high school nga ang project is already on the last part of the grading. But here on our subject, your project is on the first part of the semester. So I put too much weight on your activity notebooks, on your reporting, and your attitude towards the subject. So again, what we are developing here is for you to be an independent learning, aside from the topics that we learn. But what is important is the values that we are going to form. Be prompt in submitting. You must have good outputs, very impressive outputs, and practice practice gyudaan so that you can have an impressive reporting. So mo na pinaka importante ha, impressive reporting, dili kay mangita tas exam. Ang pinaka exam na dani is you can convey your message well, because that is the mao gyud na siya ang pinaka-importante nga skill nga mithi sa teacher, communication skills. So in reporting, you must speak fluently. It must be reporting, not reading. I-master gina siya. Formulate a lesson plan. Make fact sheets. Formulate a 20-item test questions. And naamata dito sa na may tasks nga activity number 1, activity number 2, activity number 3. Now, if your report, let's say you fall on your report is on Maxwell, and that is activity number 9, magsulat ka, imong ihapon. So, kung ikapila siya nga page. So, blangkuhan sa to nimo tanan, na yon, dito sa ka magsulat sa imong reporting. So, gets ninyo? So, dili naman ta nako ni istorya kay ang ako dani nga tan-awon unta lagi nako dani ang common sense, ang critical thinking. When I say focus sa sa inyong reporting, the topic on your reporting. So, later na siya ang kanang tasks or activities sa notebook. So again, focus first on your report. Mo say imong una sulaton. Okay? So, thank you, and I hope that you are guided well.